A diamagnetic material is brought near the north and south pole of the bar magnet. Okay. North and south pole of the bar magnet. Okay. It is repelling north pole, no. Only north pole, no. Only earth, no, 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 no. Okay. It is D. Good. Good. See this question? I think very easy question. Try this. I think this type of question you can solve now. Try this. You can see here the Curie temperature is the temperature above which? Yes, yes, yes. Good. Curie part. So I think this type of question are there. Let us see to few more questions. Then I will give you homework for that. Try this question. Any answer till here? Try. From temperature increase when it is. Yes. Okay. Very good. Same question. I think no need to discuss now. Now I think you can do it. I leave this type of question. I think you can do it. Okay, try this question. Try this question. Let us see this question. All theoretical part question, I think you can do it now. Try this question. Try this. I'll give you 10 second time. Try this question. Magnetic dipole moment given, you know, magnetic dipole moment is from south to north. A. Let us see. From south to north, magnetic dipole moment is here and magnetic dipole moment is here. Here angle 90 degree. Here angle, see here south to north here, south to north here. Here angle is 90 degree. Here angle is 180 degree. Here angle given, here angle given. And we know it is given, we know by vector addition, if we add two vectors, we know we will get how much? Vector addition. From vector addition, we know magnitude is m square a square, that is m1 square m2 square plus 2 m1 m2 into cos theta. Okay, put all those values here. For 90 solve here, for 180 put here, 30 put here, and for 60 put here. Okay, you will get 4 values and find which has the highest magnetic dipole moment, and you will get your answer. Got it or have any problem? See, any problem till here? If you want to judge from here without solving, you can say this can't be your answer because here it is at 180. So here will maximum, they will cut each other, they will cancel each other. Okay, for here you can do it very easily. For here also just apply formula, you can apply a formula and you can find. Okay, let us see that. Okay, try this question. Okay, try this question. Take time, try this question. Any answer? Try this question. See now. Suppose initially we were having a magnetic moment, magnetic dipole moment. It was M. Okay. Initially, suppose it was M, pole strength, length was L. We can say magnetic dipole moment was M into L. Initially. Now what we did? We bent it like this. Okay. Then this is magnetic pole strength is M. This is the distance between them. See here. Distance between them. See here. This is the distance between them. Okay. What is the distance? We can put here R. Perpendicular here. It is R. We can write here. What will be it? Say, let us say it is 60 degree. It will be 30 here and 30 here. We can say, we can take a 30 degree, R is here, you can take here sine of it. We can say this will be R sine 30 degree. So between them, this distance will be how much? It will be R sine theta, and this also R sine theta. We can say 2R sine theta. Got it, or having any problem till here? We can add like this. Got it now? And from here, got it now? From here, yes, yes. Now from here we can write magnetic dipole moment will be how much? It will be m into 2R sine theta. Okay. Now what we will do? We have to find the relation between R and sine theta. We know sine theta is 30 degree. That we know. We can put here. We have to find the relation between R and L. That's only. What we will do? We will take one case. Suppose this length of this arc, this arc, it is L. Length of this arc is L. This is what? R. Okay. This is what? I draw here. See. This is L. This is R. It is 30 degree. It is 30 degree. We know one thing. We know that one relation we know. Since we have 360 degree, we say, then length, then we say for 360 degree, we say that what is the length? 2 pi r. We can send it for 360 degree. If this angle is 360, then the length will be of the arc will be how much? 360 degree for 2 pi r. If the angle is 60 degree, then what will happen? We can write 2 pi r by 360 into 60. This is the length here for 60 degree, and this is equal to L. Got it, or have any problem? Please tell. Got it, or have any problem? Confused? Should I tell it once more? Okay. So solve it. Put values here. Pi values here 180 degree. Solve all those values. You will get the relation between L and R. Okay. L and R. Okay. You can solve it. You can put it here in terms of pi. We can write like this in terms of pi. What it will be? It will be 2 pi. 360 means 2 pi into R. 60 means pi by 3. We can write is equal to L. 2 pi cancel. We can write like this. R will be equal to how much? L into 3 by pi. Okay. Put here this value of R. Put here theta 30 degree. Put all those values, you will get your answer. Got it, or have any problem, or should I solve it? What happened? You got it, or still have any problem? Please tell. If you don't want to use this formula, which I have done, this is a very universal. You can use it anywhere. There's one formula also. You can also use that formula. Suppose arc is given like this, and we are knowing the angle sustained by this arc and the center is theta. This arc length is L, radius is R. We can say this theta is equal to L by R. Using this formula also, you can solve the question. Okay? You can use this formula also and solve the questions.